So impressed with Jason Ricci on the thing, and he was explaining how his percussive breathing went on, and I still couldn't weigh up how he manages to fit it in. It must be hours and hours of practice, and
Yes.
just to get it in time with the band. It was just incredible.
Well, he is an unusual man. Anyway, he is an extraordinary man, very, very extraordinary person.
He said he was getting his breathing techniques from chugging.
He did say that, didn't he?
Yes.
So basically what he does is he does a lot of breathing in, he plays a lot in second position, and then he'll push the air out, like almost like a beatboxer. Lee Oscar does the same. Did you notice Lee Oscar do the same thing on
a bit, but not to the same extent.
So everybody can try it. Grab a harmonica and just do a little chord, chugging chord in. So I believe that's what he's doing. You could sort of take it apart and really work out every breath, but you can't with him because it's fast and it's repetitive. But you can watch that if you're a Harmonica UK member. You can watch that workshop again. Go to the Harmonica UK site, watch it again, and have another look.